Hi, welcome back to another session on drawing tutorials. In the last session, you saw how to draw coconut trees and palm trees. In this session, I am going to show you how to draw a few good looking trees. Let's start with a bamboo tree. Bamboo trees, they are seen together as a bunch of trees. So just draw few parallel lines like this, long lines with lesser width like this. Now the typical characteristic of a bamboo tree are their shoots. So they get breaks in between their stems like this, and you can keep drawing like this. And if you notice, the width here should be slightly larger, and it can become little narrow when it comes down, and then again it becomes larger. And make sure these shoot lines are staggered like this. They shouldn't be at the same level. So this is the structure of a bamboo tree. To make it look like a real bamboo tree, you need to draw the leaves. And bamboo leaves have got a typical characteristic of triangular knife-like structure. So just let's draw some structure like this at random. Now the bamboo leaves have got this knife-like structure. Starts with a small triangle at the bottom and ends sharply like this. And you can make leaves little darker so that they stand out. Let the leaves spread across evenly. So this is a typical bamboo tree. If you want, you can just give a small shade here. So this is a bamboo tree. Now I would like to show you another nice looking tree, which is called pine tree. Pine trees have a long stem and their overall structure is triangular like this. So just draw a simple triangular outline, and the leaves will get contained within this, and their trunk are shorter compared to the overall leaf structure. Now start from the top and go on a curve like this, and maybe another curve like this. Keep increasing the width here, the same way on the other side. And make sure they are not geometrical, they are still at random. Maybe one leaf is longer, another leaf is shorter. So this is the rough outline. In order to finish the leaves, you need to have this corrugated lines at the edges. The leaves of the pine trees are corrugated like this. So this is the outline, and in between you can just draw few more lines like this. Then maybe just make few shade like this, and finish the trunk. So this is a pine tree. Now lastly, I would like to show you another commonly seen tree which many houses have this. It's a plantain tree. Plantain trees are very common in many of the houses. So have a stem like this, and their leaves start from the stem itself. Let's take another leaf. Like the coconut tree, you need to start from the center and keep drawing curved lines flowing outside. So this is the structure of the plantain tree. Now let's draw the leaves. So you can darken this. Their leaves are they have a constant width like this, and it gets finished like this. So instead of just making it plain, so you can just do a small cut here like this. So this is the typical identity of the plantain tree. Let's make one more leaf here. And when the leaf is on both sides, so you can still do the same cuts like this. and they have this structure, where the leaf grows and we keep cutting the leaves, so it remains as this texture. So this is a typical plantain tree structure. Now we can also draw the bananas. So this is the plantain tree. So keep practicing and you will be able to get much better trees. Thank you.